keep the upper atmosphere stable, and an air mass that's sitting over the state is also containing much drier air. The cloud did increase through the day in Sydney. We've seen those light showers move up from the Illawarra, but at this stage all falls are expected to remain light. In fact, most of the state recorded below average temperatures today. That was in a fresh south to southwesterly wind flow. Overnight minimums also dropped to single figures along parts of the ranges and the inland, but rainfall today was less than 5 millimetres, and it was mostly confined to the central west slopes, Illawarra and the southern tablelands. Now, Melbourne and Adelaide also recorded less than a millimetre of rain, and that was as a high pressure system in the Bight started to ridge into the eastern states. Now, that belt of high pressure, which is stretching across southern Australia, is also directing a stabilising influence on the weather. The only exception to that is along the New South Wales coast, where southerly winds will trigger some cloud and further showers, but the next front won't reach the middle of the state until around about the middle of next week. Now, the northeast tropics of Queensland are once again looking at some further moderate to heavy falls. Most of the capitals with a wet forecast will only experience light rainfall. To the state, and south to southwest winds across New South Wales will result in another cool start with the dry and sunny day inland and just the possibility of some showers along the coastal fringe in fresh winds. Now, it'll be windy about the northeast, some possible showers along the eastern side of the tablelands and also along the coastal districts. Strong winds south of Seal Rocks won't ease until the evening. It'll be sunny on the southern tablelands and central tablelands. Any showers along the coast should clear by late afternoon or into the evening. And strong winds will also fall below warning strength by the afternoon. It should stay sunny inland with a mild to warm day, but that's after quite a cold start in most areas. We're also looking at generally light south to southeasterly winds. Now, over to Sydney, it'll be a partly cloudy day. Any showers are likely to be confined to the coastal fringe, and we're certainly not looking at anything in the way of worthwhile falls. Strong winds on the waters won't drop below 25 knots until late afternoon. Now, any showers in the coming days are also expected to remain isolated and light, with no more than a millimetre or two until around about Thursday. That's when the next front arrives. They could bring us another burst of slightly better shower totals.
Thanks, Graeme. Tonight's top story on the